What are the 10 C's of survival? It's always important to be prepared for an emergency situation. One of the ways to do it is by following the 10 C's. What exactly is the 10 C's? Dave Canterbury, the author of Bushcraft 101, came up with the 10 C's of survival many years ago. The concept itself is not unique, but when you list all of them together, it becomes easier to remember them and be ready in case of an emergency. So, without wasting a single second, here are the 10 C's and why you should have them ready at any given moment. Cutting tool. There are several good options when it comes to a cutting tool. You can carry a full tang knife with you, a pocket knife as a backup, or a good and high quality multi-tool. Some people prefer to add either a folding saw or an axe as well, with the folding saw usually being the preferred addition due to the fact that it's lighter and easier to pack. Combustion device. A combustion device will assist you in starting a fire, and this should include at least 2 to 3 available options. Beak lighters are an inexpensive and popular item, followed by a ferro rod and a French lens. The lens allows you to use the sun to start a fire, and while the ferro rod does take some practice to use, it will work even if it gets wet. Cover, shelter. Cover or shelter are crucial for survival. This also includes your clothing, which will be appropriate for the weather, both daytime and nighttime. Be prepared for the entire day's weather. You can take with you a lightweight waterproof tarp or use a simple reusable rain poncho to be used as a tarp. Knowing how to create shelter from natural materials is also an important skill to have. You can read all about it on our site, so just click the link in the description section and follow to our article titled "Why is Shelter Needed for Survival?" Container. Container stands for having water with you, but basically any water bottle will do. With that said, not all water is safe to drink and consume, and so at times you need to purify it. The best method of purifying water is to boil it. With that in mind, the preferred container is a single-wall stainless steel water bottle or canteen because you can place it in the coals to boil water or cook food. Another option is to use water purification tablets or a filtration device such as a Sawyer mini filter or a live straw. We'll link to both devices in the description section. Cordage. This is a must-have tool to create your shelter. Consider the mil-spec 550 paracord or Titan Survivor cord, which is a paracord with 3 additional strands: snare wire, fishing line, and fire tinder. Another option is mule tape, which is a flat cordage that is very lightweight with a strength rating more than double that of paracord. We'll link to some of the items in the description section. Candling. Candling refers to candle power of a flashlight. You should have a flashlight with you or a headlamp for hands-free lighting. Apart from seeing where you're going, having light with you can help you signal search and rescue teams in the dark. Cotton material. This should be at least 3 inches square if possible in order to create a sling or cravat. Bandanas need to consist of 100% cotton so that they char well to create a bearing material for a fire. You can also use the bandana for bandaging a cut. A bandana can also become a hygiene device for washing up or to carry or bin things like firewood. It also covers your head from the hot sun and is great for just dipping in cool water when you're taking a break. The bandana can also be used as a pre-filter to keep large sediment out of your water. Cargo tape. This is also known as duct tape. The Gorilla brand tape is an excellent choice due to its strength and stickiness. You can use it for everything, from first aid to create needed items. The adhesives in this tape are also highly flammable, and a golf ball sized wad will burn for several minutes to help ignite and burn marginal tinder sources. Compass. We're not talking about a simple compass here, since your compass must be capable of performing more functions than just walking a straight line on an azimuth or bearing. Your compass should have a mirror to be used as a signal mirror, look for ticks and lights, and to inspect cuts in areas that cannot be seen without the aid of a mirror. This makes it functional for not only as a signaling device, but also first aid. If you can find a compass with a magnifying lens of at least 5 powers, you will be able to use it as a backup fire starter as well. In the description section, we'll link to an article on our site titled How to Choose a Compass, a Complete Guide. Canvas needle. This is also known as a snake needle, and you'll use it for repair purposes. Number 14 size is a good size for making repairs to packs, tents, tarps, or even clothing. It can also be used to remove splinters. You can carry a conventional sewing needle as well, but it will not work anything other than clothing. However, the sail needle can handle inner paracord fiber strands or bank line strands. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to support our channel. We truly appreciate it. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos to the channel. For more interesting videos, visit our channel. For useful articles about survival and off-grid living, visit our site. Have a great and safe day.